Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace the headlights from any INFINITI FX35 or FX30 out there. So in the last episode I showed you all how to remove the front bumper from this kind of vehicle, and in today's episode I'm going to show you all how to remove the headlights from this kind of vehicle. Always, if you want to remove the headlights from this kind of vehicle, you have to remove the bumper first, and if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to put right here in the description down below a link with another video of mine where I'll show you all how to remove the front bumper from this kind of vehicle. So without any further ado, the first thing that you have to do to remove the headlights is to remove the 3 screws which are securing it mounted in place over the vehicle, and then you'll have to remove, I think, 4 connectors which are providing power to the headlight in the back of the headlight. It is a very simple and easy job to do, but the only difficult part is to remove the bumper because it's taking you a lot of time to remove it, but other than that it's very simple and it's very straightforward. Right now I'm going to put my camera right here in a corner for you all to see exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and in this way you will also be able to do it yourself at home, on your car, and with normal tools. To remove the 3 bolts which are securing the headlight mounted to the vehicle, you'll have to use a long extension and a 10mm socket. After you completely remove the 3 bolts which are securing it mounted to the vehicle, you will have to pull it forward just a little bit until it will come out from the mounting bracket, and then you'll have to remove the cables from the back of it which are providing power to the headlight. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the headlight is completely removed out from the vehicle and it's placed away. Right now you all are able to see exactly how the headlight is looking, how all the connectors, how all the wiring is looking on this kind of vehicle. And in my case, as also, it only took me about 3 minutes to do it from start to finish. It's a very fast job, it's a very straightforward job. Like I said earlier, the only difficult part is to remove the front bumper, but other than that it's a very simple job. Right here underneath the fender you'll have all the connectors which are providing power to the headlight, and doesn't matter on which side you are starting first, on the left side or on the right side, everything is similar from one side to the other. Thank you all for watching. Those are all the things and all the steps which you'll have to do and follow if you want to completely remove or replace the headlights from any INFINITI FX30 or FX35 out there. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.